Hi there. This video is going to show you one of and arguably the best way to use the COT report. The COT report comes out each week on Thursday, and it's available for you to look at on most Fridays. You can see most analysts, most commentators will be referring to the COT report. And on the COT report, you basically have a indication of the amount of contracts that there are in the market, either long or short a particular currency. And I want to show you a very effective way to use the COT report. And I'm going to use the example of the British pound. Now, you can see in the example in front of me, we have these three different categories: commercials, large speculators, and small speculators. The category we're interested in is the large speculators, because that's kind of investment funds and large institutions, and these are the kinds of large players in the foreign exchange market, and we want to be focusing on what these guys are trading, and that's the green line here. And what we can see with the British pound, we can see that contracts have been increasing to the short side. Now, the reason they've been increasing to the short side is because of the Brexit woes that have been assailing the British pound. Britain decided to leave the European Union. The fear of an inability to kind of resolve a smooth Brexit exit from the European Union has led to the pound being sold. And so you can see all these selling positions. It got down to about 74,000 contracts short, and it's now up to around 60,000. Now, if you go to the pound US dollar chart, you can see, look, it's reflecting all those shorts. You can see all of them coming in, and now what you can see is that some of those shorts are now starting to get into a bit of pain, aren't they? Because there's a lot of people short, but the pound at the moment, with a little bit of US dollar weakness, has been appreciating. Now, the way you use the COT report is like this. Is, say, for example, all of a sudden it comes out that Britain has decided to either remain in the EU and Brexit's reversed, or the EU suddenly says, yeah, we can get a great deal with Britain, then all of a sudden the pound is going to appreciate. Now, you can know that you can buy and hold your position because you know there's a lot of large speculators who are short. And what are they going to be doing? They're going to be unwinding all of their positions. So you use the COT report to try to find extremes of positions, and then look for a fundamental shift in the data. So here, the British pound is extremely short. Look, you can see it hasn't been this short since 2017. Look for a fundamental shift, and then when you've got the fundamental shift, you can take advantage of all those large speculators who are having to unwind their positions. I hope that's been helpful for you and shows you a key way that you can use the COT report by looking for a divergence in the extent of positioning for the large speculators, and then looking for a fundamental shift to try and get in quickly.